Is no way Islam does not allow you to hurt the sister next to you at all. All the brothers in this room, even though y'all might not know each other, y'all with me? Because we Muslims, you're not allowed to hurt the brother or sister sitting next to you at all. We all clear about that? Anybody don't understand that? Even the way you talk to them. Anybody in here, raise your hand if you know somebody that was killed. Raise your hand high so I can see your hand. And the girl, and the sisters. If you know somebody that was killed, one more time so I can see the number of people. That's a lot of kids. All right, listen, y'all. You gotta understand this. Part of dealing with death, part of us being able to deal with death so that we don't go too far and lose our Islam in death is learning about Allah beforehand. See, this is what a lot of us do. We're not doing no learning, and in our terms, for real, learning. I'm not going to class, I'm not learning anything about Islam. I'm not really learning anything, right? So what do? Somebody gets murdered, something bad happens, we go buy some clothes, a scarf, a khimar, and go to the janazah. We go buy thobes and put them on and go to the janazah. That's not going to work. That's not going to keep you together as a Muslim. You have to prepare yourself by learning about Allah, learning about death, learning about what happens after death, before something happens. So when it happens, you understand what's happening. It's still going to hurt. Death always hurts. It's going to hurt. But we'll be better prepared to deal with it. Everybody understand?